Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is kind of an experimental edition as we got an air fryer. And I thought, what can you do with an air fryer? I mean, we made some french fries and chicken. Put some cheese in a tortilla and put it in there. That was pretty good. Well, let's make some air-fried chicken top ramen. You're probably thinking like, you're crazy, dude, what's that crap all about? But you'll see. I'm gonna use an adaptation of another recipe to do it. So with that, let's make it so. Well, this is it. This is my first attempt at making anything air-fried instant noodle. It kind of takes two recipes, my mother's recipe and the bun for the ramen burger recipe. So basically, I cooked some noodles using a rapid ramen cooker in the microwave, drained it off a little bit, added in the seasoning, stirred it up, added an egg, stirred it up, kind of compressed it a little bit between two deep dish pizza pans, let it sit in the fridge until I got my kids off the bus and came back in, and then threw it in the air fryer at 400 for, 5 minutes to see what would happen. And this is what we have. So let's give it a try. It definitely, I think 2 eggs might have been a better go, but it smelled good while it was cooking. And so there's what we have. Cheers. Honestly, it's not bad texture-wise. I was hoping for something a little slightly moister, and I think 2 eggs would be the ticket for this. But yeah, I mean, you could do it. You can pull this off. Maybe throw some ketchup on it. I don't know. What I really wanted to do was Indomie, but they didn't have any except for in 5-packs at the grocery store, which is kind of par for the course with that evil grocery store nearby. But yeah, so you can do things with instant noodles in an air fryer. So yeah, I don't know if anybody else has done it. I guess I'm kind of late in the game with the air fryer deal, but there you go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.